pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
cheese muffins. For this I'm using 150 grams of self-rising flour, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, 110 grams of cheddar cheese grated, 1 egg, 125 ml of milk, and 1 teaspoon of chives. Sift the flour, the salt and the mustard powder into a bowl. Add the cheese and mix. We love muffin, muffin the mule, dear old muffin playing the fool. Beat together the egg, milk and chives. Pour the egg, milk and chives over the flour mixture and mix well. We love muffin, muffin the mule, dear old muffin playing the fool. How many remember that song? The recipes say pour the mixture into prepared baking cases. That ain't gonna pour. Use a spoon. Oh God. It should be just the right amount to make 12. See? 12? I told you. Bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. This one. Gorgeous. Put the flour, the salt and the mustard powder